The 12th December general election is our chance to kick this Prime Minister and Tory party out of power. It's not just Boris who has a problem with Muslims, his entire party does. A 2019 YouGov poll of Conservative Party members found 40% want limits on the number of Muslim people entering the UK. 43% would prefer to not have the country led by a Muslim. 45% believe there are areas in Britain in which non-Muslims are not able to enter. 67% believe there are areas in Britain that operate under Sharia law. They've weaponised the Prevent strategy and Schedule 7 against British Muslims. In 2019, they have legislation to expand these powers even further. And hate crimes against Muslims have rocketed in the past 10 years. It's no wonder top Islamophobes Britain First and Tommy Robinson have publicly supported Boris as Prime Minister. In addition, the British medical journal BMJ stated that Tory policies have led to 120,000 deaths. Boris and his party are a real threat to British Muslims and everyone else. So what about Corbyn?
We will recognise a Palestinian state as soon as we take office.
He has pledged to recognise a Palestinian state, address the state surveillance policy of Prevent, and tackle Islamophobia at every level. The Muslim vote can decide over 40 seats. That's enough to decide a government. In 3 elections, MPAC UK have kicked out 8 Islamophobic MPs. Help us to kick out 14 in this election. We are campaigning against the Tory party hard in key marginal seats, targeting 6 government ministers and Boris himself. But with your support, we can hit them much harder. We are crowdfunding for our general election campaign. The more we raise, the harder we hit them. You can donate at... All money raised would only be used for this campaign. If you are not registered to vote, we strongly encourage you to register now at www.gov.uk/register-to-vote. It only takes 2 minutes. And make sure you vote on 12th December.